Welcome on my new course, the Complete Developer Bootcamp. My name is Maxim Rudny and I am a software engineer with more than 8 years of production experience in web development. I am experienced in front-end and back-end, and also I have more than 15,000 students worldwide. So in this course I want to show you the most important parts in development you need to know. It doesn't matter are you a front-end engineer or back-end engineer, or you are a quality assurance engineer, and are you a junior or a senior developer. All these topics you need to know to be a good professional in your area and provide high quality solutions. In this course we will talk about code quality gates, how we can reduce the number of bugs. We'll talk about coding standards and convention, about code review. All these processes helps you to provide the good quality code. We'll talk about testing. It will be unit testing and test automation. Also, we will talk about testing of functional and non-functional requirements of software. And we will talk how can we release our software to the production, which branching strategies we can use. And very important practice is continuous integration, continuous delivery, and we will mention what is continuous deployment, what is the difference. We will talk who is the business analyst on the project, how this person can help you to provide high quality software, and we will talk how you can estimate your time and efforts for doing some work. In the end, we will talk about one of the most popular software development methodology, it's AGILE. And agile implementations such as Scrum, Kanban and XP. So good luck and let's start.